If your car has a Towbar, you need to cover the hitch, otherwise it may rust. I could use one of them generic covers, but that's boring and kinda crappy. So I went for something unique. First step, model the hitch in Fusion 360 so I could design around it. You can see now what I'm trying to do, a flying saucer with a beam of light that will try to abduct my hitch. I rotated the sketch profiles into solid bodies to bring the saucer shape together. Adding some color for realism. I split the model into parts to get the best print quality and strength. And while I was doing it, I thought it would be much more interesting to make the thing spin as I drive. After some trial and error, the design was ready to slice and print. The UFO is sized for the bamboo A1 mini build plate. Most of it's PLA, the translucent beam is PETG, sturdier and nicer to look at. With all parts printed, it was time to assemble. I glued the illuminators into the upper part of the UFO with epoxy. Then I press-fit a skateboard bearing. And that's it, done. What do you think? Would you like this kind of stuff on the back of your car? Comment below.